Hey guys, who doesn't love a breakfast recipe? Especially one that you can bring on the go. So this is my version of overnight oats: oatmeal, almond milk, chia seeds, walnuts, a little bit of cinnamon, Greek yogurt, which I love. I have Greek yogurt almost every day, as well as, check this out, our prepped ahead peach jam. Very exciting and very delicious. Easy. Check it out. So to show you guys the recipe, I'm going to put it in a glass so you can see the pretty layers, but you can put this in any container. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll prep it the night before, I'll put it into one of my to-go containers, and I can just take it on the road. But for purposes of now, let's show it in a pretty glass. I'm going to show you one serving, half a cup of oats. I use gluten-free oats, use whatever you guys want. 2/3 of a cup of almond milk, and we basically build it like a parfait. Tablespoon of chia seeds. Layer it up. Also, some people don't like chia seeds. They don't like the consistency. As example, my kids, they do not like the consistency of chia seeds. Feel free to omit if you want. Walnuts. I love walnuts. Absolutely love them. We're going to do a little sprinkle of cinnamon. Just a little layer on there. Sprinkle a little layer of cinnamon, maybe a little more. Oh, I love cinnamon. So now we're going to add our peach jam. So the peach jam is sweet. So if you guys have a little more of a sweet tooth, feel free to add more. I'm just going to do a pretty layer. Because the peach jam, it's coconut sugar. And it was sweetened with coconut sugar, and then we cooked it with that Prosecco, if you guys watched that recipe. So that gives it a beautiful light sweetness too, an elegant sweetness as well. And then to the top, we're gonna add our Greek yogurt. This is a 1/4 cup. So then we're just gonna do our little, top it with that. And then we're just gonna pop this in the fridge overnight. See you guys in the morning. So just took this out of the fridge. It's morning time. These sat overnight. Let's have some breakfast. I'm gonna go straight down so I get some of the oats to go there. Right. That's so good. Yummy. Let me know what you guys think. You can also add whatever layers you want in there. That's so good. Thanks for hanging out. Wishing us all a great day.